Hi Natural Beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my wash day series. In this video I will be showing you how I do my wash and goes. 95% of the time my hair is styled in a wash and go. Wash and goes are my go-to style because it is just easier for me to do. Now some of you may be experts at doing a wash and go and achieving the style that you want, and some of you may be struggling to achieve the desired results. So in this video I'll be taking you step by step on how I do my wash and goes. When I do my wash and goes, I start by sectioning off my hair. I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair real quick before I get started. Before I apply my products, I will go through and spray my hair to make sure that it is wet. Then I will go through with my Denman brush. This is the 9-row Denman brush. So I will wet my hair and then I will just make sure it's detangled on both sides. So now that my hair is soaking wet and I detangled it, I will be applying my product. When I do my wash and goes, I don't use any creams, I don't use any oils, I just use gel. For my wash and go, I have found that using the right type of gel, I get the best results. I get hold and I get moisture as well. I will be using the Camille Rose Curl Maker Jelly. The Curl Maker Jelly by Camille Rose is aloe vera based gel, which the humectant will allow moisture into my hair. So now that I have applied my product in my hair, I will go through each section and use my handy dandy Denman brush to distribute the products and help form my curls. So I just brush my hair from root to tip, and then I shake it. Now one thing I have learned when using the Denman brush is the bigger the section is when you brush your hair, the more your curls clump together and the more you have to pull your curls apart. So I generally like to section off each section that I already have sectioned off and then brush the products through that way. So I will do the same thing on this side, just brush it through and then shake to activate the curl. One thing to remember is to make sure that your hair is soaking wet before you apply your products, because how your hair looks, like as you can see right now, I hardly have no frizz. That's why I like the Camille Rose Natural Gel. Applying these products in small sections while my hair is soaking wet has always given me the best results. 9 times out of 10, how your hair looks while it is wet is the same way it's going to look when it is dry. So when you're doing your wash and go and you see frizz on your hair and it's not fully saturated, or if you see frizz in a certain area, just add a little bit more water in those areas and apply a little bit more product. If you don't have the Denman brush, you can use a regular brush. Or you can also use your fingers. There are different methods to applying products to your hair. I just prefer using the Denman brush. The days that I don't want a lot of shrinkage, I don't use a Denman brush. I will just rake the products through my hair like this in sections, and then I will use the prayer hand method like that to smooth the products into my hair, and then I will shake it. So that's just another option for those of you who don't have the Denman brush and don't want to use a Denman brush. I will make another wash and go video on that method, on how I rake the products through my hair and then use the prayer hand method by going like that to smooth my hair down. Now we get to the front section of your hair, you have to decide how you want your hair to lay. Because the way you part your hair and how you brush it is how your hair is going to lay once your hair is dry. So just keep that in mind when you get to the front part of your hair. Today I'm going to part my hair on the left so my hair can fall to the right.